Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars Nulls. To begin, first locate and download the Nulls Brawl application package, or APK file, from a trusted community website. Next, ensure your Android device settings permit installation from unknown sources, a necessary step for these types of custom applications. Once downloaded, simply tap the file to install it, then launch the game. You are now ready to dive into an exciting, enhanced Brawl Stars experience with all its unique features. One of the biggest advantages of Nulls Brawl is the abundance of resources. Upon starting, you will instantly receive unlimited gems, coins, and power points. This allows you to unlock every single brawler and all available cosmetic skins right away. Feel free to experiment with any character, trying out various strategies and builds without the need for endless grinding. Enjoy a significantly faster progression system, making your gameplay experience much more dynamic and enjoyable. The core gameplay experience in Nulls Brawl mirrors the original, offering all your favorite modes. Dive into action in Gem Grab, test your skills in Showdown, or score goals in Brawl Ball. You can practice with any brawler against computer opponents, or join a club and challenge friends in friendly battles. The mechanics, controls, and overall feel remain identical, ensuring a familiar yet refreshed gaming session. Explore every map and strategy with unparalleled freedom. Before you fully immerse yourself, remember a few important points. Nulls Brawl is a fan-made private server and is not officially supported or endorsed by Supercell, the creators of Brawl Stars. While it offers a fantastic experience, updates for Nulls Brawl might arrive slightly later than official game releases. Always download the application from reputable community sources to ensure safety. Also, keep in mind your progress here is entirely separate from your official Brawl Stars account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.